Hello students, today we start with the kingdom Animalia. I will give you the classification of this kingdom and tell you about some scientific names which are coming in last 10 years in NEET exams. In all the medical attempts, the medical names of some animals which are important to you. The first is your kingdom Animalia. Kingdom Animalia is divided into cellular type and tissue level. For cellular, example is Porifera. For tissue level, it is divided into radial and bilateral. Radial, coelentrates and ctenophora. Coelentrates and ctenophora. For bilateral, it is further divided into acoelomates without cavity, pseudocoelomates, false body cavity, and coelomates. That is body within a body cavity. So this is the kingdom Animalia. These coelomates, pseudocoelomates, and coelomates are also further divided into three. Now important names of scientific animals is red fox or vulpes, polar bear Ursus maritimus, brown bear Ursus arctos, hummingbird Trochilidae, pig Sisudae, ostrich Struthiocamelus, camel from camel family, owl Strigiformes, lizards Squamata, penguins Sphenisciformes, jellyfish Scyphozoa, elephants Proboscidea, tiger Panthera tigris, panther family, leopard Panthera pardus, octopus Octopus vulgaris, rabbits Lagomorpha, hyenas Hyaenidae, hippopotamus amphibus, amphibian family, mongoose Helogale parvula. Next is your gorilla or gorilla. Easy. Whale or Ischiritus robustus. Sharks or Lesmobranchi. Dolphin or Delphinus delphis. Stingray Diacid centura. Tortoise or Sheliona. Cat or Felidae. Guinea pig or Cavia porcellus, most common. Grasshopper or Selphera. Crab or Brachyura. Cockroach Blattaria. Giant panda or Alyropoda melanolisa. Cheetah or Echinoix jubatus. It's not from panther family. Snail or Achatina. Lion is a Panthera leo. Your dog or Canis lupus familiaris. Horse Equus guaga. Crow Corvus splendens. Parrot Stacula eupatria. Home sparrow is your Passer domesticus. Indian cobra is Naja. Last is your pigeon is Columba livia.